Hey everyone, discover the HZC Neck Massager with heat, designed to relieve neck and shoulder pain deeply. Its adaptive arms mimic human hands for a natural, soothing kneading and squeezing massage experience. You can use it handheld for targeted relief, or wear it for all-around comfort anytime. The massager fits all body types with adjustable settings and soft silicone kneading heads for gentle, yet effective shiatsu therapy. Enjoy calming heat compression that deeply relaxes muscles, while the washable pillowcase keeps maintenance simple. Powered by a strong motor and smart system, it targets muscle soreness with deep tissue action. Your well-being matters, so this device combines comfort, convenience, and powerful pain relief in one smart design. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.